Introducing the vacuum perfume bottle filling and capping machine, the perfect solution for small to medium-sized perfume manufacturers and bottling companies. The filling machine uses vacuum technology to ensure accurate and efficient filling of perfume bottles. With 4 filling heads, it can fill up to 120 bottles per minute. The capping machine has 2 stations, one for crimping the sprayer caps and the other for snapping the collar rings. The crimping station securely attaches the sprayer caps to the bottle, ensuring that they are properly aligned. The snapping station then attaches the collar rings, completing the capping process. Whatever your packaging needs are, you can rely on ZONESUN.